Hello everyone, and welcome back to another edition of Top 10 with Alex. Today, our special guest chef Ryan is making item number 8 on our list of quick and easy interesting meals. I'm sure you'll love it. So, without further ado, I'll turn it over to Ryan.
Thanks Alex, and hello everyone. If you're looking for a quick and flavorful chicken recipe that's perfect for weeknight dinners, then this Gochujang Glazed Chicken Thighs recipe is definitely worth trying out. The recipe calls for bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs, which are a great choice since they're juicy and flavorful. Plus, they're a bit more forgiving if you accidentally overcook them compared to leaner cuts like chicken breasts. Before you begin, you'll need to make sure you have the following equipment on hand. Your oven, of course, a mixing bowl, grater, a whisk, measuring spoons, a brush, and a baking sheet. Oven mitts are always a good idea. This recipe calls for the following ingredients. 4 bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs. Salt and pepper to taste. 2 tablespoons gochujang, which is a Korean chili paste. 1 tablespoon of each of honey, soy sauce, and rice vinegar. 2 cloves of minced garlic, and 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. To get started, you'll want to preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius, and season your chicken thighs with salt and pepper. Next, you'll make the gochujang glaze by whisking together the gochujang, honey, soy sauce, rice vinegar, garlic, and ginger in a small bowl. This mixture is what really makes this recipe shine. It's sweet, savory, and spicy all at once. Once your glaze is ready, you'll want to generously brush it over your chicken thighs. Make sure you coat them evenly to get the most flavor possible. Then, place your chicken thighs on a baking sheet and bake them in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes, or until fully cooked. This cooking time may vary depending on your oven and the size of your chicken thighs, so make sure to check them periodically to avoid overcooking. Finally, let your chicken thighs cool for a few minutes before serving. You can garnish them with some chopped green onions or sesame seeds for a little extra flair. The result is juicy, flavorful chicken that's sure to satisfy. Plus, since this recipe only takes about 30 minutes to make from start to finish, it's perfect for those busy weeknights when you want something tasty but don't have a lot of time to spare.
Thank you, Ryan. I don't want to overstate it, but that looks like the best recipe for chicken thighs that I've ever seen. A full list of ingredients and instructions is in the description below. Please consider liking this video and subscribing to the channel.